Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no substitutes or imposters. And this is another episode of Burgh Unboxing. So let's open the bag. Now this is already open for security reasons. From Amazon. And inside is a note, and it's an Amazon gift card in a red and gold mini envelope. So let's open this up. And I could have done all of these one card per video, but I wanted to get these done. This is kind of a different card. It's kind of pretty. And it has a little flap. You open it up, and there is an Amazon gift card with a red slash, whatever it's called. I kind of like that. And that's a pretty kind of a snowflake. So thank you. And let's see. That was from, oh, by the way, that says it was from Fluffy the cat. So thank you, Fluffy the cat, the smartest cat in Finland. Merry Christmas for Fluffy and Maddie. And we have another envelope. And this is an A for Anthony. No, my first name. I hate my first name. There's an A for Amazon with a crystal ball, very fitting for somebody who's into the paranormal. And you have a crystal A, crystal ball. Or it could be an upside down A, or a strange 9. So another gift card. Thank you, Fluffy the cat. And hello, Cindy and Maddie. And Cindy's significant other. Thank you for the gift cards. And Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and I hope you have a great holiday season. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great morning and a great evening. There's 22 minutes left. And stay warm, wet, dry, and cool out there, and stay safe. And I will catch you in the next video. I am going to go feed the cats, and cook my pizza, and go to bed. Bye-bye for now. It's been a long day.